in a ramp with a Jamaican parent.
Hold on. I never hear what you say. Where is that while ago? I'm naked and I can't show myself. Where is that while ago?
Food.
What?
There is no food.
There's no food in the house.
No.
Are you telling me that there's no food in the house, Stephanie?
Yes.
So we need to go shopping, right?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Let me just make sure, verify this. There's no food in the house. Let's go. There is no fucking pussy bomber rascal food in the house. There is no food in the house. There is no... What? What? There is no... no Jamaican bread to bomber clot. Food, meat, blood clot, ice cream. There's no food for breakfast. Hold on. Bread. A box of blood clot, bomber rascal, carrot. No food for breakfast. Move your pussy clot. No food for breakfast. This dumb fuck we can't cook. Watch ya. No food. No food for breakfast. No food for breakfast. The American blood clot way. See there? See American breakfast there. And this them blood clot name. See it? Out this them pussy clot name. Pancake. Bomber ass clot. Come on to my pussy clot way. Come on to show you bomber clot face. No blood clot food in the house. No food. All because she still look white in the fridge, she make it look like pussy clot food in there. See there? No food in the house for breakfast. For breakfast, the American way. Bacon! Bacon! But no food in the house. Them pork and sausage. But no food in the house. No food in the house. Ego. Sausage. The fucking bitch talk about no food in the blood clot house. See there? Food I get prepared for dinner. See there? And she said no food in the house. Blood clot fish from Grand Cayman. Look. Egg down there. Lettuce. Tomato. Apple. Orange. But no food in the blood clot house. Your pussy bomber ass clot. No cooking motherfucker. If you learn for blood clot cook. But there's no blood clot food in the house. You got spices to blood clot thing there. Learn for blood clot cook. A long time me I tell you say if you learn for cook I don't want blood clot cook. But you want blood clot name Jamaican food. You talk about no fucking food in the blood clot house. Fucking dead dog.